In today's video, I'm going to teach you Webflow Freelance tutorial. How to use Webflow for freelancers. If you're freelancing, your learning curve directly affects your income and client satisfaction. So let's focus on a simple, efficient path to build your Webflow skills using resources that are already at your fingertips. We'll start inside Webflow itself, then move to the official Learning Hub, and finally expand with online courses to deepen your expertise. When you open Webflow, you'll notice built-in prompts and guided tutorials that suggest what to try next. Treat these as your on-demand coach. They walk you through real actions in the designer, from setting up responsive layouts to experimenting with interactions, all in context. Use them actively. Open a practice project or duplicate a template so you can click along without worrying about breaking anything. If you ever dismiss a prompt, you can usually find help resources again through the help or learning area in the interface. The more you interact with these guides, the faster you'll internalize Webflow's logic, especially around classes, structure, and responsive behavior. Keep notes on patterns you see, like how containers, grids, and Flexbox work together, so you can reuse them in client builds. Next, click the Learn link at the top of the Webflow dashboard to jump into Webflow University. This is Webflow's official structured library of videos and lessons. Start with the fundamentals to get your mental model right, then branch into topics like the CMS, interactions, SEO basics, and publishing. For freelancers, focus on creating clean, reusable systems, logical class naming, consistent spacing, and component-driven layouts. Use the search bar to find exactly what you need in the moment and pace yourself with transcripts and playback controls. The best way to learn here is side by side. Watch a short lesson, pause, then immediately replicate it in a sandbox project. That build while learning approach cements the concepts and gives you muscle memory you can rely on under client deadlines. Finally, expand with paid or free online courses. Choose options that are up to date, include project files, and offer practical assignments. Prioritize courses that go beyond design and cover freelancer realities. Scoping, timelines, handoff, and how to make the Webflow editor intuitive for clients. Each course should result in a small portfolio-ready project. Something you can show a prospect to demonstrate process and polish. As you progress, refine your workflow checklists and component libraries so every new project starts faster and finishes cleaner. Combine in-app prompts, Webflow University, and curated courses, and you'll have a steady loop. Learn, practice, and apply to real client work. Stick with it, and you'll not only get faster, you'll deliver results clients can see and value.